What's up, everybody? Cooking with Kieran, episode 5. We have a new addition to the set. We have our new lights here. Very excited to see how those turn out. Hopefully I use them right. It's a learning curve, so I've never used lights before, so I'm going to be learning as I go. Today we're going to be making a delicious breakfast sandwich, one of my favorite things that I've ever made. I truly hope you enjoy, and if you do, let me know. Without much further ado, let's get started. Today's recipe is going to only take 5 ingredients. Your favorite bread, any kind of pork sausage, a few eggs, bacon, and only the most expensive cheese. When opening the sausage roll, make sure not to stab it. Make sure to carefully open it, always pointing the blade away from you. Add the sausage to a pan. Mash. Medium-high heat, which basically means 8 or 7. Brown the sausage so that it has that really nice crust. This is called the Maillard reaction. Make sure that sausage is nice and cooked. Remove the sausage from the pan and keep as much of the oil as possible in the pan. We're going to be using the oil later. It's kind of gross how much fat is in sausage, but that's what gives it its flavor. Make sure not to spill any oil. As you can see, I got scolded. Open the bacon and cut it in half. Add to the hot oil. This is the ASMR section of the video. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One handy tool I found is a screen. It helps to protect you from the violently explosive fat that coats your body as you make delicious bacon. You can purchase one, as my mother did, or you can use your old window screen, chainmail, or a full suit of armor. Make bacon with caution. Set aside bread for your sandwich. Apply the bacon. The illustrious cheese. I'm making 2 sandwiches today. As we cook the eggs, the cheese is going to melt on that bacon. Safely discard the oil. Reapply the sausage. Crack 2 eggs per sandwich. Curse the appropriate now. Remove any and all eggshells. If you ever get accidental eggshells, a trick I failed to employ is to wet your finger, and for some magical reason it gets the egg to stick to your finger. Don't ask me how. I do not know. On your highest heat, cook the eggs quick and whisk the whole time. Cook your eggs and sausage on the highest heat you have with a little bit of butter, making sure to keep this moving on a non-stick pan. My pan's not so non-stick. I cut this very minimally to show how quick this cooked. You might be used to making eggs low and slow, but as Gordon Ramsay taught me, I recommend cooking at the highest heat. It just allows those eggs to be super moist. Moist. Don't we love moist things on this channel? Let me know in the comments below, chefs. Once the eggs are almost done, we're going to be making little patties for our sandwiches. Add the egg over the cheese. And then top that off with another piece of cheese. Smush the sandwich down. Get all those little bits in there. Isn't that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Oh my God. Pat that down. Cut. Always taste to make sure it's okay. If you heard any whining or barking, it's my dog. Always right underneath your foot when you're trying to cook. Every time you cook, always make sure that you have a spare human to taste your food, to check if it is poisoned, or poorly cooked, or completely raw. You don't need to be going to the bathroom every 5 minutes. I sometimes send out flyers around my neighborhood to find fools, willing people who will try my food so that I don't have to. Let me know what you all think. Thank you so much for watching. It really means so much to me. If you like this video, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed already and you've been watching everything so far, I hope that you choose to subscribe because you could be part of the chef family, and I'd really appreciate that. If there is a food that you would like to see me make or see me attempt to make, please let me know. The harder the better. I truly enjoy a good challenge. If you have any comments, please let me know down below. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep cooking, chefs. Until next time.